Welcome to the Fear and Greed Afternoon Market Report for Wednesday, the 29th of September 2021, where in just a few minutes I tell you everything you need to know about what's happened in financial markets and the world of economics today. I'm Sean Aylmer. The S&P ASX 200 tumbled another 1.1% today, following yesterday's 1.5% drop to finish at 7,197 points. That's the lowest level since late May. At one stage, the index was heading towards a 2% drop before recovering somewhat. What to say about the last couple of sessions? Well, the mood has well and truly shifted. The lead-in from Wall Street this morning was very weak, with the S&P 500 closing off more than 2% and the tech-heavy Nasdaq down almost 3%. That's because there's a fight on in Washington over whether the government can lift its debt ceiling, thereby allowing the public sector to keep operating beyond Friday. And Elizabeth Warren, former presidential candidate and senator for Massachusetts, opened fire on US Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell, saying she thought he was dangerous and she wouldn't vote for his renomination. Also, the spectre of stagflation, rising prices with low economic growth, is raising its somewhat ugly head. That's hitting most bourses, and the local ASX 200 got hit hard today. The biggest loser today was investment group Pinnacle Investment Management, down nearly 9%. Fintech Tyro Payments was off more than 6%. Mining services group Mineral Resources was 5.6% lower, and aerial mapping group Nearmap fell more than 5%. It just shows how widespread the drops were. One sector that did benefit from all the turmoil, at least today, was gold. While the price of the precious metal is still trending lower, many of the miners were higher today. St. Barbara jumped more than 7%, Regis Resources rose 6.8%, and Evolution Mining and Silver Lake Resources were both strong performers. Market leader Newcrest Mining was up almost 2%. Among the large caps, technology and healthcare sectors again underperformed, as did the energy sector, though many of those stocks have done well recently. The utilities and staples stocks, the ones which tend to do well in turbulent times, were the best performers. Among the top 20, Afterpay was the worst, down more than 4%, while CSL dropped 2.6%. Coles was up a touch, that's a pretty good effort today, while Woolworths was flat. ANZ, National Australia Bank and Westpac all did better than the market average. In corporate news today, a consortium led by telco TPG has made a $1.4 billion cash takeover offer for salary packaging and leasing company Smart Group Corporation. The Aussie dollar is trading at 72.5 US cents. That's it for the afternoon market report for Wednesday, the 29th of September 2021. Join me tomorrow morning for the Thursday edition of Fear and Greed, and then for my chat to Doug McNamee, the CEO of electric vehicle charging group Jolt. I'm Sean Aylmer. Enjoy your evening.